Today I'm sharing how to debone chicken feet for Thai chicken feet salad. Chicken feet are full of collagen, which is good for the skin, as well as cartilage and calcium, which is good for the joint. They have a gelatinous texture that is quite chewy and goes so well with sweet, spicy and sour sauce in the salad. First, put 1 kilogram of chicken feet, which have been cleaned with nails removed. Make sure to wash off dirt and dry mud cake on the feet and in between the toe as well, in a large wok or pot. Just one note, 1 kilogram is enough for 4 servings. Add water to the pot until the chicken feet are fully submerged in the water. This is about 1.5 liters. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and give it a quick stir. The salt will dissolve in the water once it comes to a boil. Cover the wok and let it boil. This takes about 12 minutes. Alright, water has come to a rolling boil. Stir to rotate the chicken feet to cook them evenly. Continue boiling for 8 more minutes. Then switch off the heat. Carefully transfer all of the chicken feet from the wok onto the strainer and gently shake off the excess water. Add all the chicken feet in a basin of cold water to shock them. This stops the cooking process. Transfer them out from the cold water and onto the colander. In another basin, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 2 liters of water. Stir to combine. Then submerge all of the chicken feet into the basin. I like to place a plastic sheet cover the water and something heavy like this stainless steel netting to ensure they are fully submerged. Let it soak overnight or for a minimum of 8 hours. This tenderizes the chicken feet so that it becomes much softer to eat. The next day, we are ready to remove the bones. They have become soft and brittle, while the skin is firm and gelatinous. This makes it easier to break the bones and remove them from the skin. Drain all the water and gather the chicken feet on a large tray. Use a small knife with a sharp point, like this one, to cut a straight line on the chicken feet. With the thumb and index finger, push to separate the skin and the bones. Try to go around the bones as much as you can to remove it cleanly. Place a foot on the chopping board and cut the top part of each toe. Again, run your finger in between the skin and the bones to separate them. Then, break each bone joint and pull it out one by one. This preserves the appearance of the chicken feet for the salad. Continue with the rest of the toe. Once the small bones have been removed, remove the main bones from the top part. And break it. Remove any small piece of little bones from the center part too. And here is what it looks like after all the bones have been removed. Once done, place it onto a plate and continue with the rest of the chicken feet. This may take a long time to finish, so if the weather is quite hot, I recommend to put some ice on the chicken feet to keep it fresh. Alright, I am done. These are the chicken feet with bones removed and are ready to be used in chicken feet salad. I recommend consuming it within a day for the best taste and texture. Otherwise, they can be kept in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. I don't recommend freezing, as one thought the texture won't be as good. Portion them into individual Ziploc bags so they are easy to use. Don't forget to watch how to make an amazing and authentic Thai chicken feet salad in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.